hitting them home runs. I be like, go Mets. I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type that caught me diamonds, he could miss me with them bags.
Girl, we been right here thinking about it all night.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ebonee Lala here, and today I decided to go with something a little bit different. I'm doing a hair tutorial. This is just a natural hair tutorial, 2 bun style. I'm completely natural. I would say my texture is around a 4C, 4B. I don't really know. I did the 2 buns look, super cute. It's quick, easy style, and I just wanted you guys to see this video before I put in my braids. And I want you guys to see this natural hair look before I go ahead and I'm going to straighten my hair tomorrow, getting like my trim, making sure my hair is still healthy before I put in my braids. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick natural hair tutorial. I thought the 2 buns are super cute. I love this hairstyle. It's easy, it's quick, and you could dress it up, dress it down. You be cute, girl. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification button so that you could be notified as soon as I make a video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and tell me if you guys like this hair tutorial, and maybe I could do another one. If you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so first I'm starting off with greasing my scalp, just a little, so it's moist, to take out my braids. I was definitely jamming. So here we have a toothbrush for your edges, we have a denim brush to detangle, a regular brush to have your hair sleek, and a wide tooth comb, some Ebin for your edges, blueberry bliss for your edges, and last but not least, some gel by the Mane Choice. I'm going to start by detangling my hair. Why do I keep saying that? Not detangling. I mean taking out my braids. I do braids because it stretches my hair without me having to put heat to it, and it makes it flat enough and a little bit easier for me to sleek my hair down. This is a method that I like to use because I don't like to put heat to my hair, and it works really well. Oh god, I got a knot there. So now my hair is out. I'm definitely listening to music, so I'm jamming. Now I'm just detangling my hair with the wide tooth comb. I like to start from the bottom and work my way up so that any of the knots, it's not like pulling on my hair. Oh, it's getting hot. Woo, gotta take off my robe. What I'm doing now is I take my wide tooth comb and start parting my hair down through the middle, like all the way down through the middle. Now I'm just combing out one side so that it's detangled, and I'm gonna take the side that I'm not gonna start on and just have it away so that I can focus on one side. Alright, so let's get started. So now I'm taking my denim brush just to get all the kinks out. This really helps. This really gets your hair really flat, and it detangles like the top of your hair so there's no kinks, so your hair will definitely lay flatter. Now we're putting it in a desired position. This is for your mold. So we're basically molding your hair. So this is technically what your hair on this side is going to be looking like. And I'm just taking the Mane Choice gel and just slathering it all over. So I'm just gonna keep putting a decent amount of gel in the front, on the side. You don't really need too much with this hairstyle, just because it's kind of easy to have your hair laid down with this style. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit on there with my hands first, and then I'm gonna start to brush it. When I start to brush, it helps it lay down and start to have that mold, right? So what I'm going to do is now I'm taking out my ponytail and making sure it's even more sleek. So I'm going to take that brush again and mold it to like this is the actual actual style. So this is your actual proper desired spot. This is so it makes sure it looks more neat. So I'm going to start doing the same thing on the other side. I'm taking my denim brush to brush out all the kinks and make sure that, it could lay as flat as possible. And now I'm gonna do the mold again, and I'm putting it in a ponytail on how I would like it so that it would lay flat like that, and it's prepared for my gel to be put on. I hope that makes sense about the mold thing. So now I'm just putting gel on with my fingers and getting ready for it to be brushed. Now I'm brushing it. Obviously you guys can see that. And I'm going to take it out and make sure it's brushed even more sleek and more neat. So now if you need any bobby pins to hold down any of your loose hairs, do so. I'm just going to be tying my head down for about 15 to 20 minutes just so it lays flat. And you don't have to do this step, but I like to have bigger buns. Bigger buns. So I'm just going to use the extension and put it on each bun. So you're going to need 2 of those. My buns are cute, but I like them to be bigger. And then you just wrap it around like a regular ponytail. And I like to twist mine and wrap and just continue to wrap them around. And this is where you're going to also need more bobby pins. And yeah, you're just going to have to stick them in place in order for it to stay all day, especially if there's wind. Because you don't want it to become out of place. Especially while you're out. Like, that's embarrassing, sis. But yeah, and then we're going to be doing the same thing to the other side and get our bobby pins and stick it so that it just, you know, all secured. The bag is secured, sis. Alright, it is now time for your edges, okay? I use the blueberry bliss. It's so good. It smells amazing. I love it. And I don't do too much with my edges. I don't like them to be like super out. I just do it to make it look a little bit extra done, you know? I just take my toothbrush and, like, you know, fan them out, make them look cute as possible. You know, QT gang out here. And yeah, after I put that on, I put the Ebin on top of it because the Ebin has a better hold than the blueberry bliss does. And they just work so well together. So I just love that combo, you know? Yes, girl, your look is coming together. Ooh, yeah.